Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing my thoughts about the hot air wig that I received. This is what the packaging looks like. This is what the hair looks like straight from the box. The one I have with me is called Barbara Blonde Brown. Yeah, it's called Barbara. Guys, look at that. They've already packed the hair straight from the box, so this is the more reason why I like hot air wigs. Their hair is, already costumed straight from the box, so you don't need to do a lot when you get their wigs. That I like about them, all their wigs. So also notice the fact that it's silk base. Look at that, guys. So that makes the part looks very natural straight from the box, so there's no need for you to do much with the wig. So it's really nice because for me this is actually okay. I don't need to cut the lace, which is a plus for me as well. So another thing I like about their wig is the fact that the construction of their cap is absolutely flawless. Guys, look at that. Look at that. Coupled with the fact that it's a silk base, wig, and everything looks very neat and professional, which is something I really like about their wig. And you have this, adjustment pin right here in case the wig is a little bit too big or too small, so you can adjust that as well. And another plus for me is this elastic. Is it elastic strap? I'll call it elastic strap, really. So you don't need to use any hook. If you're like me that normally have headache with those hooks, oh my god, I try not to stress when I wear wig with hook, so I just take them off and use an elastic band. But with this one you don't need to stress at all. You just need to pull the cap like that, put the strap like that, and just clip it on this, and it's very flat, which is nice, so you don't have that big hole at the back of your head, because sometimes when you try to use the hook ones, then you get this bulky feeling at the back of your head. It might not be obvious outside, but you can feel that at the back of your head. But this is a plus for me. It's very, very flat and very, very easy to use. So I really like the construction of the cap of the wig, and I also like the fact that the quality of their hair is always top notch and spot on, which is a plus for me as well. Look at that. The quality of the hair is absolutely amazing. Look at that. The construction of their cap is always very professional, very neat, very clean. This is expensive and it's really worth it. So I just keep going on and on. I'm just gonna wear this because I'm just gonna wear this. I didn't actually apply glue on my hair, on my cap, because I know that I saw the fact that this already had a silk base already, which is nice. Oh my days, guys. Guys. This is so me. I'm loving this. This is so me. Oh my god. Especially now that it's summer. Oh my days, I love this. This is so me. I don't normally wear short wigs because I normally think they don't suit me. But this one looks very, very nice on me. Especially the color on me is like, oh my days. I was born this way, guys. I was born this way. We what? Did you say week? No. I was born this way, guys. This is just perfection for me. It's like they actually saw me before they made this wig. I just can't help it but keep repeating the fact that I love their wigs. I love their wigs. You don't have to do nothing, guys. Their wig is constructed in a way that you don't need to do much to get that celebrity look. The hair has a bouncy, not shiny way, but you know, like a glowy feel to it. As you can tell already from the camera, it feels so lightweight that I don't even feel that I'm wearing anything on my head, and I'm loving it. I am loving it, guys. Nothing. I just took it out of the box and, you know, put it on my head. Nothing at all. Nothing. No stress. Guys, you'll be seeing more of this hair. I really like it. It's just too beautiful to think of anything negative about it, but they actually came out with new collections. So this one was one of their Ebony collection. I think their Ebony collections are very, very affordable, and you can tell that it has this expensive look to it, but it's not even up to £100, guys. If you if you see me on the street, you'd have thought I'm wearing like an expensive hair, but it's not that expensive, but it makes me feel expensive and, you know, posh. So guys, don't sleep on them. About hot hair is the fact that they regularly do offers on their website. So if you are interested in if you are interested in their hair, you might be lucky to get, you know, maybe 20% off, 30% off, sometimes 50% off their hair sometimes. So I put the link to their website in the description box below, so you guys can, you know, visit their website, and you never can tell, you might be lucky enough to find a discount or offers on their website. So guys, what do you think? No, let me be posh, guys. Let me be posh. Don't sleep on it. Click the link in description box below and get yours today. I would see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys. That, or should I stick just to the box style? Because I think this style suits me as well. Or is it just me? What do you think? The hair is just making me go gaga. Like, I can't believe how, you know, versatile and easy it is to style it. You don't need any glue, you don't need any unnecessary, you know, preparation or stuff to do to style the hair. So I'm just feeling myself. The fact that you can wear the hair any way or anyhow you like it, in the sense that you can put the pattern at the center, middle, wherever you want, and yet it still doesn't take out the beauty of the hair. Because look at that, guys. I went from side part to center part, which looks really nice. Even though I'm not a center parts kind of girl, but I still feel the look. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but let's take a picture of that, guys. One sec. I like the construction of the cap. I like the fact that you can style the hair anyhow you like, and I also like the fact that the quality of the hair is top notch. I like the fact that it's not a hook, so it's very nice and flat at the back, which actually didn't have to use because the wig fits so perfectly that I didn't need to do anything or adjust it at all. So I like the fact that it's so easy to wear and it's so easy to style. You don't have to do anything, like, guys, anything. bring it out straight of the box, bring it straight out of the box and wear it, and you're good to go. So that's my thoughts about the wig. I like it, and I'll definitely be featuring it in most of my videos, especially now that it's summer. You need, you know, to bring that colorful vibes out of your, you know, take yourself out of your comfort zone and just enjoy the weather with very colorful hair, because life is too short to wear boring hair colors, like, you know. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one.